question is from GATE 2015 Mechanical Engineering paper, Set 3, question number 21. Which two of the following joining processes are autogeneous? Number 1, diffusion welding. Number 2, electroslag welding. Number 3, tungsten inert gas welding. And number 4, friction welding. So of these 4, 2 are autogeneous and we have to identify which of them are autogeneous. Let's do it. We will start by understanding what is autogeneous welding. So autogeneous welding, as the name suggests, it is the process of joining two similar metals. But this is done by melting only their edges. So only the edges of the workpieces to be joined are melted and the two workpieces are made up of similar metals. And there is no filler metal used. As the two metals that are being joined are similar, there is no requirement of using a filler metal. So among the given options, actually diffusion and friction welding are autogeneous. We'll see why they are autogeneous, but first let me write. Diffusion welding and friction welding are autogeneous type of welding. For diffusion welding, it works on the principle of solid state diffusion. Second, the heating temperature is just 50 to 70% of the absolute melting temperature. And third thing that is important in case of diffusion welding is to mention that high pressure is being applied to create this diffusion bonding. So this application of the high pressure will make us achieve the bond, which is nothing but a diffusion type of bond. Then coming to the friction welding, some points to be mentioned here are that for friction welding, the heat is generated by mechanical friction. So here there was solid state diffusion principle applied, but in this case, the heat is generated by mechanical friction. And second point in the case of friction welding is very important, that there is a lateral force named upset being applied here, and this force, it plastically displaces and fuses the parts. So there is a permanent displacement happening which then causes the parts to fuse together. So these were some of the noteworthy points regarding the two welding processes which are autogeneous welding processes. So let's go back and choose the correct option and mark it. So diffusion welding given in number 1 and friction welding given in number 4. Number 1 and number 4 are paired together in the option A. And therefore option A is correct. To learn more about joining processes and their classification, you can refer to the NPTEL video Lecture 3 Classification of Joining Processes. This is from the course Joining Technologies for Metals. The course is by Dr. D.K. Dwivedi. He is from Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department of IIT Roorkee. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.